Yo, what's poppin' with your YouTube? You already know what it is, man. It's your boy Kodak, yo, with Official Kicks. I'm back. Sorry for the wait, though. I know it's been very long. But let's get straight into it, yo. Y'all asked me plenty times. On how to lace them eights. Them great eights is coming, alright? I'm doing it right now. So let's get straight into it, alright?
All my shit official, nigga. All my shit official, nigga. All my shit official, nigga. This money, yo girls, my kicks.
Alright, so now, remember, yo, right hand, alright? You get the right, put it on the right. Make sure, no twisties, alright? Now take the left shoestring and put on the left eyelid, or on the right eyelid, you dig? We always gonna talk about the shoestrings, not the eyelids itself. Make sure no twisties in it. Alright, now take the right shoestring, because remember we started on the right side. Put it down on this side. No twisties, alright? Same thing with this one. Alright, check this out. Now, at the same time, I start loosening them up. I don't like my shoestrings tight. Alright, so remember, this is the right, put it down on the bottom. Alright, no twisties. Left, put on top. See what I'm saying? Yeah, like that. Alright, so remember, yo, the 23 is on top, alright? So what you want to do is take your bottom shoestring, which is this one, put it at the bottom of the eyelid, right here. Boom. Still, no twisties, alright? When you get no twisties, take this, drop it in this shoestring, eyelid. Boom. No twisties, alright? Remember, no twisties. Wow, see that? Now take this one, do the same thing. Well, first you want to go under all this so you don't have to get all that extra shit. Boom. Put it in here. Pull it out. Throw it in this. Bow. Now you got the bunny ears on lock right there. See that? Keep it on there a bit. Bow. Now here, now you can choose ankle support, or you can just go ahead and tie it up right here. Me personally, I go one more eyelid and then that's it. If I was gonna tie it, I keep it right here, put it in like this. Tie it up loosely and spread it all out like that. Tuck it in on the lines. And this is how I wear it if I wanna tie my shoe. See what I'm talking about? If you wanna wear it loose without it being tied, all you do now is take the eyelid, take your shoestring, put in your last eyelid, let it hang down to about right here. Because it's nothing more than having a fire shoe with dirty laces, alright? You don't want them dirty laces. Females not gonna check you out with dirty laces, B. All jokes aside. You need clean laces with clean clicks all day. So then you take this, slide on this side, do the same thing. Bow. All the accents you got here, like on my other videos, tuck it in. You got a little booty in there, all you do is stuff the laces in the booty. You know what I mean? Just like that. Then you have your great eights all day long. This is the way I lace my kicks, yo. All day. Alright? You already know what it is, man. It's your boy Kodak. Stay up and stay fly, alright? Yo, what's poppin'?
Nope.
Swiss Frankie music.
greatest beats on the market.